Okay, difference between dancing action or dancing stepping. So when we dance, we try to have our priority always on dancing our action, not dancing stepping. So let's demonstrate stepping, dancing stepping, which is no good, which not recommend. Let's say in a cha-cha-cha, you're gonna have a cha-cha-cha, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. So this is very much dancing stepping, not a very good idea because body will look not the best and you will feel not the best. So idea is to dancing our actions, not dancing step. Let the action guide the step. So let's close our legs and just we have our tummy, we have our hip, we have our chest, we have our knees, and we try to just dancing the action. 3, cha, cha, cha. Let the body move. Cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha. So when we go into cha-cha, for example, basic walk, we try to dancing our action, not dancing stepping. Cha, cha, cha. So the movement immediately has more life in it. Cha, cha, more power, more beauty. 3, cha, cha, cha. Time step. And you see, even time step, we want to close the leg. We're dancing our action. 2, 3, not dancing our step. Action. Of course, you need to study what kind of actions you have, but there is only 2 approaches. Are you dancing the stepping or you dancing your actions? So now if you're going forward and back, the same idea. Instead of just focusing on your foot arrival and leg position, which is also important, but that's not the dancing itself. We try to work on to dance the actions which actually produce those steps. And 2 and 3, cha, 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 and 2 and 3, cha, cha, cha. So dancing the action and step become as a natural reaction to it. So if we do to our choreography this approach, the same here, before we start dance, already move your body, a lot of flexibility, a lot of music in the body. And 1, so for example, even that and, so not just simply put this leg in front, try to dance your action on your standing side, which bring this leg across, and then dance your action here to produce that New York. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. So we try to breathe our body, always dancing our action, not only focusing on the step. And 1, and 2, 3, 4, and 1. Fast. 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3. Even here, when we twist, try to work your actions. Cha, cha, cha. Not just only step. The same in the rumba. So, for example, if you have no steps and legs are closed, what you're gonna do? Only change weight? That's not enough. We have to really activate the whole body. 2, 3, cha, cha. Oh, let's do rumba. 2 and 3 and 4. So dancing our actions. 2, 3, 4. And so then when we have to do a basic walk, instead of just dancing stepping, we're gonna a little bit introduce actions. And in rumba, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Always focus on dancing your actions, not dancing the step.